KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock Waterproof Door Lock. Alloy *KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock. The KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock is a portable, waterproof, and anti-theft padlock that is perfect for use on a variety of doors, gates, and cabinets. The lock features a built-in fingerprint scanner that allows you to unlock it with just your fingerprint. It also has a backup key in case your fingerprint is not recognized. The KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock is made of zinc alloy, making it durable and resistant to rust. It is also waterproof, so you can use it even in wet conditions. The lock has a battery life of up to 6 months, and it can be easily recharged via a USB cable. Here are some of the pros and cons of the KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock. Pros: portable and lightweight, waterproof, anti-theft, fingerprint scanner, backup key, USB rechargeable. Cons: pricey, battery life could be longer, fingerprint scanner may not work well in wet conditions. Overall, the KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock is a great option for anyone looking for a secure and convenient way to lock their doors, gates, and cabinets. It is portable, waterproof, and anti-theft, and it features a built-in fingerprint scanner that allows you to unlock it with just your fingerprint. Here are some additional details about the KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock. The lock has a dimensions of 2.4 by 1.2 by 0.9 inches and weighs 4.2 ounces. It has a range of 0.4 to 0.8 inches for fingerprint scanning. The lock can be unlocked in 0.2 seconds. The battery life is up to 6 months. The lock can be recharged via a USB cable. Where to buy the KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock? You can purchase the KERUI Keyless USB Charging Fingerprint Lock Smart Padlock on Amazon.com.